democracy alive in India, especially in Goa? Looks like people who raise their voice are in danger. In a similar situation, where a complaint was lodged against the singer Alison De Kurtorim, lodged by Kunkolim BJP MLA Club Pasadais. Alison has sung a song highlighting the issues faced by the people. After receiving the bail, the Tiat, the entire Tiat fraternity has supported the young non-political singer. Watch. The singer had made various allegations against the MLA in a song which was circulated on social media and had appealed for an anticipatory bail to prevent any arrest by the police. He was booked after a complaint was lodged by BJP Kunkulim MLA Club Asvedas. The hearing in the bail matter was heard and held on Friday, while the order on Monday granted bail and asked the singer to report at the police station as when required by the investigating officer was to what the lawyer and Allison has to say on this.
एकल्यान म्हणजे केस घायली डिफॉमेशन कंप्लेन फायल केली आनी तो म्हाका हें करपाक लागलो म्हळ्यार स्टॉप करपाक लागलो हांवें त्या कांतरान स्वता तें हाडलोलें कितें पेपराचेर येयलां म्हाका कितें प्रूफ आहा तें हांवें हाडलोलें हांवें कोणाचें नांव कांय घेवं ना सो हांवें तें चॅक मारलोलें इफ तो आपणें जर तकले तें घालता पण तो मनीस न्हू जाल्यार म्हाका प्रॉब्लम ना आनी ही तें तर तो आतां म्हणटा आपूण ही कोर्टां वयतलो हें करतलो तें करतलो म्हणटा जाल्यार ही कॅन गो म्हाका सगळे प्रूफ A to Z आहाय
तूं आतां कितें थिंग करपाक बंद करतलो
ना हांव बंद करपाना आनी मुखार जाल्यार वयतलो
तूं तेजेर डेफिमेशन केस बी घालतलो
एक्चुअली हांवें कांय तेजें नांव घेवना बट तेणें म्हजें नांव घेयलां हांवें म्हाका कोण फायनान्स केलां सो तेका हांव चॅलेंज करपाक सोदता बाबा प्रूफ कोन्न दाखय आनी प्रूफ आसल्यार उलोवपा जाय मनशान कळ्ळें तुका न्हू सो हांव तेजें डिफॉमेशन हांव एडवोकेटाक उलयलो ना आतां मुखार उलयतलो सद्या म्हाका लोकांनी सपोर्ट केला तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमी फेसबुकाचेर वचून कमेंट चोवपा जाताय आनी म्हाका मुगे एडवोकेटान बी म्हाका सपोर्ट केला एडवोकेट ऑफिसान.
It was very unfortunate that an offence was registered under this against this boy Alison De Kurtoring, who was a 22-year-old boy, under sections 295A and section 500 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, section 295A was the non-bailable offence for which she was charged under, and which says that it is for hurting the religious beliefs or faith of a particular class of people. Now, if you have seen the song which was sung by this stage artist Alison De Kurtoring, I don't see in what way the beliefs of any particular class of people could be hurt. The only thing what I can make out of this is that this is a total abuse of the process of law. The political class has used the police machinery to suppress the voice of the people. Freedom of speech and expression is enshrined in the Constitution. Article 19 guarantees us that right. But what has happened today was an attempt by the government to suppress our voice. As on Tuesday, the 2 police jeeps full of police went to the residence of this boy Alison De Kurtoring and they searched his house. Fortunately, Alison was not at home at that time. So we had to move the anticipatory bail for Alison. Now we filed the bail on Wednesday. The matter came up for arguments on Friday, and today, that is Monday, the Honorable Principal Session Judge granted Alison De Kurtoring the anticipatory bail. So from this it can be seen that the voices of people are being suppressed, and we're really happy with the verdict, and I wish Alison De Kurtoring all the best.
NSUI, along with students of polytechnical colleges, met the Secretary of Director of Education on Tuesday morning, demanding that exams be held by online mode only. Nearly 1,500 final year students from 28 departments of government polytechnic across Goa are still going to answer exams in offline mode in this pandemic situation. NSUI demanded that CM, who is the education minister, to wake up now and interfere in this matter and take a decision in the interest of diploma students, failing to which the NSUI Goa wing will be forced to get out at the chief minister's residence. Here's more. Watch.
डिप्लोमा जावचो ना अशें कांय ना बिकॉज युनिवर्सिटी डिसिजन घेतला की ऑनलायन करपाक जाय तो आमी वचून बेश्टे उलयता न्ही हांगा कित्याक तेणें असो डिसिजन कित्याक घेतलो आनी कारण कितें तशें अशें वयता आनी लेक्चर दिता आनी उलोवन येता स्टुडंट फायनली तो माझ्या अच्छा डेट let them come sir. They are media sir.
You can't take the photo.
They are media sir. आमचे कोण होते?
Sir,
Media is
but
just
let's say if you want to give something, you can just get it involved.
we want to meet you. We want to meet this
Okay,
person.
then close down this, no? Please.
No, आम्ही येऊन भेट दिली. मी भेट दिली.
Close down.
Yeah. Only 5 people are there. Only 5 people. Regarding diploma exam, we wanted to meet the schedule के नाम और finally diploma. What is this?
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
Director is insensitive to our cause, first of all. So we want our exams to be online, that's it. And please promote someone, Honorable Chief Minister, please help us, that's it. Thank you.
See, university is an examining body, okay? Likewise, Board of Technical Education is also an examining body. So if university takes a decision, one decision, it is not proposed that the Board of Technical Education could take the same decision. That could be a variation. Because quantums are different. No? University will be probably dealing with few thousands. You might be dealing with few hundreds, a few less than 100.
But do you think the students' demand is
But we told them that we will probably look into that demand, and then we said that we definitely before 10 days, okay, we will be letting know the exact result.
As an education minister, तो bias असूंक जायना. You should take a decision in the interest of student. आम्ही वॉर्निंग दिता DT आणि CMक की त्याने म्हटला की आता बोर्ड एक्झाम जातली, बोर्ड मिटींग जातली. त्या बोर्ड मिटींगेन समज ऑनलाईन एक्झाम जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक घेवन येतले. दिस इज ओनली द फ्यू स्टुडंट्स बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19 आमी सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक आपोवंक ना. आणि थोडे पेरंट्स सुद्धा आयला हांगा. आता समज डिसिजन इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्टुडंट्स जायना जाल्यार ऑल द पेरंट्स अँड ऑल द स्टुडंट्स विल कम अँड वी आर वॉर्निंग द CM टू प्लीज वेक अप. Please wake up, please play your role as the education minister and take the decision in the interest of students, because if this student answer this exam and enga ki zale and if we lose this student in the future utsana, because of future of the student, take the decision and follow the Goa University, not only Goa University, the Delhi University, the Kerala University, all the universities around India are conducting online exam. Why this DT is so arrogant? Amma kai kadana. So we are waiting for the board meeting and we will wait and we will watch till the decision ki jata, and we hope that decision will be the interest of the students. Otherwise we will come and we will protest in front of CM's house.
Hello and welcome to today's episode of the video tutorial, my evening take on issues of the day and the unique perspective that we try to bring on every news event that happens in Goa. Today we have a very, very serious issue which has been the talk of town since yesterday. The MLA of Kunkuli, Clafasio Dias, has filed a police complaint against a theatrist, Alison De Kurturi, for allegedly hurting the religious beliefs of a particular section of the population. And he filed this report. Police chief came to the theatrist's house and he had to file an anticipatory bail, which he has fortunately got, but he had to basically pledge a surety and a bond of 20,000 rupees and so on and so forth. Now, what was Alison De Kurturi's alleged crime? He sang a political song, and most theatrists do sing a song. I mean, while the song is not overtly political, it actually throws light on the issues of the day, on stuff that is plaguing Goa, on serious issues that Goans are worried about. So even though it may be termed as political, I would say that it's a take on social issues of Goa, on issues that worry Goans, and it questions politicians and the ruling class for not really looking after the interests of common Goans. That's exactly what the song says. The song talks about issues that the whole of Goa has been talking of. One is of course coal. Now the issue of coal is linked to all the three major linear projects that again Goans have been fighting for. The double tracking issue, the Tamnar power line, the highway expansion, all of these are in some way or the other linked to coal transportation. At least the double tracking and the highway expansion is. So again, this particular song talks about how Goa is actually preparing for coal from outside to come, transiting our state, polluting our environment, and then going to another state. So he talks about an issue that every Goan has spoken of. He also, of course, very rightly spoke of this whole issue of politicians of one political party defecting to another political party, and that's an issue that everybody has raised it. We've been a very strong votary of the fact that this kind of betrayal has to stop. You cannot defect in this manner and cheat the mandate for whatever it's worth. And he has essentially, in that particular song, Alison de Courtois has talked about people jumping from one party to the other. Of course, he said that they jump like monkeys. Now, if that is something that anybody wants to take umbrage, okay, you take umbrage, but that certainly does not come under the category of affecting people's religious beliefs. So what Cleofascio Dias has done, and he's not named anybody, though he has named MLAs, he is very clearly hit out against the political class that, according to him, betrays people. But the question that needs to be asked is this the first time a theatrist is singing a song like this? At the end of the day, Goa has always kind of not only accepted but welcomed the role of theatrists in taking up social causes. And they are also satirists. They are satirists. They are comedians. But in their own unique way, they throw light on the ills plaguing society, and they are actually a mirror to the political class. This has always been the case. So since when has a Goan MLA, and that to a Goan MLA from South Goa, turned against a theatrist for merely raking up social causes? Aren't the people of Kunkoli, aren't the people of Nuve, Naveli, Margao, all over the place, Murbugao, and all over the place, didn't the people of these talukas actually rise up against these projects? Didn't people get hurt when 10 Congress MLAs en masse moved to the BJP? So what really is wrong with this is something that we need to know. Did he really hurt anybody's religious beliefs? At least prima facie, the song doesn't seem to suggest that. Let the investigations carry on. I mean, anybody has a right to go to a police station. But let us understand that we need to question whether this really calls for a police complaint, or whether this was a tactic to intimidate voices that rise up in the favor of people and may be uncomfortable to politicians. I think that needs to be looked at, because even in a place like Goa, if theatrists are attacked, if police complaints are filed against theatrists by elected politicians belonging to the ruling party now, then it's extremely unfortunate. Already there's been a lot of disrespect shown to theatrists. The government and the ruling class has not been humane in looking after them during these hard COVID times, and now they are faced with police cases. It is extremely unfortunate, but as we say, let the law take its course, let the proper investigation happen. There, even if he has said something wrong, if he's broken the law, let the law take its course. But the manner in which this was done, for just a song, and for saying that he's hurt religious beliefs, that really needs to be taken with more than a pinch of salt. And we do understand that everybody has rights. MLAs also have rights, but there should be a difference or a line drawn between protecting our rights and intimidating voices that rise up in favor of the people. Thank you.
Once again, there was a huge traffic congestion witnessed in the capital city on Tuesday due to the ongoing PWD repair works near the Pato Bridge. However, the CCP Mayor Rohit Monserrat has assured that this work will be completed soon and the traffic will move smoothly. Watch.
Basically, we had submitted a request for the drain. There's a drain in that area where we had drained, so that is constantly blocked. We had submitted that request earlier, but now due to the pandemic and because of labor shortages and everything, we couldn't get to it. So when we had started work, the drain had collapsed. So basically, we were forced to continue with that work also now. So now we had hopefully that work should be done within this week, I'm guessing. Now we have had a meeting with the police and everything, so they have deployed all the people, they've changed the traffic arrangements and everything. So hopefully from tomorrow traffic will start flowing smoothly.
ट्रेन फोडला मग त्याच्या खातीर इनकमिंग ट्रॅफिकाक सगळे प्रॉब्लेम जाला मोस्टली.
तर केन्ना सॉल्व जावंक शकता आता फूल ट्राफीक?
आतां जातलें आमी काडटा सोल्युशन काडटा सोल्युशन काडटा.
ओके, खाली हेच्या खातीर ट्राफीक
आतां कितें जाता आज मंडे म्हळ्यार सगळी ट्रॅफिक सगळी सिटीन येता कामाक येता लोक कामाक येवपाक आनी इनकमींग ट्रॅफिक होच सारको मेन आमचो हो इनकमींग ट्रॅफिक आसा पळय तोच कट ऑफ जाला न्ही तेज्या खातीर आतां मातसो कंडिशन आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी चडशे आज इन्स्टेड ऑफ 2 व्हिलर 4 व्हिलर्स घेवन येयला.
ओके, तर अजून किती चान्सीस आसा जावपाचे?
जातलें करता आमी काडटा सोल्युशन काडटा न्ही.
ओके,
काम चालू आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी पावसा
आनी कितें रोड डायवर्ट केला अपार्ट फ्रॉम
आमी सगळे 2 वे केला आतां होय 2 वे केला आमी हो रोड 2 वे केलो प्लस आमी तो ब्रिज आसा रुवादी वरेन तोय 2 वे केला ट्रॅफिक भितर सगळे इनकमींग सगळे ट्रॅफिक येता.
ओके,
आनी थर्ड ब्रिज आसा तो फ्रॉम LIC टू पेट्रोल पंप तोय आमी ओपन आसा तोय 2 वे केला.
As cases of COVID are on decline, dengue seems to be rising in Vasco, spreading concern. Now, acting on rising dengue cases, MMC Health Committee has also requested the Chikalim Sub-District Hospital to try and reserve a ward for dengue patients for treatment. Watch to what they have to say.
ह्या दिसांनी डेंग्यूचे केसीस येवपाक लागला. वी हॅव सीन दॅट लॉट ऑफ डेंग्यू केसीस आर कमींग इन विथ जे प्लेटलेट काउंट्स आसता ते ड्रॉप जाल्ले आसता. ते चड ड्रॉप जाले जाल्यार तांकां ब्लिडींग जाता आनी जिवाक धोको आसता. सो अशें कितें सिरियस केसीस आसा जाल्यार ऑफकोर्स आमकां तांकां फुडले मडगांव नाल्यार मेडिकल कॉलेजीन धाडचें पडटा आनी आमची तयारी आसा की तांकां आमी एक आमचो दुसरो वॉर्ड आसा तो आनी जे आसा आमचे स्टाफ आसा तांकांच यूज करून इन दॅट सेम लिमिटेशन्स वी वॉन्ट टू एडमीट दॅम. आवर डॉक्टर्स आर गोईंग आउट ऑफ वे. जरी आमची संख्या कमी असली तरी तांकां एडमीट करून पुरेशी काळजी घेवची आनी एडमीट करून बरें जावन तांकां घरा धाडपाचें अशें आमचें हें आसा.
फाटल्यान आमचे मुरगांवचे आनी अख्खे गोंयचे लोक आमचे खूब आमकां सोडून गेले. खूब वायट दिसता की आमकां ते सोडून गेले. त्याच प्रमाणे आतां डेंग्यूचे कोरोनाचे केसी देंवले आनी डेंग्यूचे केसी वाडपाक लागल्यो. सो हांव मागता लोकां कडेन की डेंग्यूचे आमी सिरियसनस घेवपाक जाय. बॅरलां कितें ती बरे भशेन धांपून दवरची आनी घरच्या भायर बेश्टें उदक सांठोवन दवरचें न्ही.
Locals from Navelim are up in arms over the illegalities happening in Navelim in South Goa. They have alleged that ministers and MLAs are supporting the Gundagars and the Gundagiri happening in South Goa, especially in Margao and Navelim. They have threatened to take law in their hand if this Gundagiri is not solved. Watch.
आज आमी हिंगा एकठांय जाले. स्टॅलिन आमचे आयले सगळे एकठांय गेले. बरें भिरांती खबर कित्याक व्हडले व्हडले गुंडाईंग नायविलीन दादायर कोण आमगे भुरग्यां माताय. आतां जो भुरग्यां मारला तो इनोसंट भुरगो तो कोणा मिजगुती वचपी ना कोणा हिंग वचपा धर बरो तो बरो जो वोत ह्यावेपान तुज्याक मारला सो ताका आमी आज स्ट्रीक वार्निंग दिताय. तो जर आमकां तूं नावेली मेळ्ळो तो कितें करीत जाल्यार ताका आमी सोडपाना आमकां. आमच्या सर गोंय गुंडा कोण नाय. सो हांव मागता पुतो आमकां तूं दाखोव नाकाय म्हणून. हे सगळे मिनिस्टर आनी MLA आमकां जाणें आमकां व्हरताय आमकां कोण सो हांव तुमकां एक उपकार मागता जे मनशान आज मारला ताका सोडच न्हू म्हणून आनी ताका तो सोड आमकां मेळ्ळो नायलकारान मेळ्ळो जायत आमी नोको ते कितें करतले ते आमी कित्याक ताणें इनोसंट भुरग्यां मारला. आमच्यातल्या मारल्यार ओके आसलो कित्याक आमच्या मातशें हिंगा तिका भोंवताय पूण हो भुरगो केन्ना घरांत भायर सरना आसलो ना म्हूण ताका कोणा आडी आनी ताका कोणाक जाप ना ताका माय पाय गेली ना ताका भावान गेली कोणा कडेन विचारया तुमी नावेली फिरीस म्हणून कोण तो. सो हांव मागता हे MLA कडेन मोकून MLA कडेन जोरी तर तुमी हे गुंडा जर सपोर्ट करीत हे मुखार तुम आम जाण येता तुमगे बँक वोट म्हणजे सो तुमी आतां सिल्युडार ते एक दादा कोण पड हे करताय कोणा घर खाताय कोणा कितें खाताय हे सगळे भायले हेच मुखार हांव MLA सांगता हेच मुखार हें जावपा नाका कित्याक आमी चाळत जाल्यार तुका मारप पडटलें तुम गोंय सोडून वचोंक पडटलें.
Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more updates and recent alerts, please do log into our website at www.oheraldo.in or also subscribe to our YouTube channel ACN Goa and also do follow us on Facebook at Oheraldo Goa or on Twitter as well to stay much more updated at Oheraldo Goa.